Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you log out of your Amazon shopping? Well, it's going to be really simple, so bear with me on this one, okay? So we're going to be clicking here, and once you're in here, you could click on sign out, and that's just basically it. That's how quick and that's how simple and easy it is. There's also orders, recommendation, watch list, so it's all in here. So if you want to sign out, just click on sign out and you'll be routed to the sign in platform where if you want to create a new account, just basically click here, mobile number, the basic like password, re-enter password, and then basically click on continue, and that'll solve the basically the tutorial for you. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.